The aluminum Performance 3-row radiator is a great option for 2005 to 2014 Mustang owners with a manual transmission but excluding the GT500s. If you're looking to improve engine cooling efficiency, whether you're hitting the track, pushing your Mustang on the roads, or simply want better temperature control in daily driving conditions, this radiator is built to handle high performance cooling demands while ensuring long-term reliability. This race-ready radiator is designed for maximum heat dissipation thanks to its high-density aluminum 3-core design that provides significantly better cooling compared to the stock unit. That 3-core design increases the surface area for heat exchange, allowing for faster and more efficient cooling, which helps prevent overheating during high performance and hard driving. Now, the increased cooling capacity ensures better thermal regulation, making it perfect for modified Mustangs, supercharged builds, or track-driven setups. This also features improved coolant flow for enhanced engine cooling performance, reducing the risk of heat soak and maintaining optimal engine efficiency. Engineered with reinforced end tanks for added durability and resistance to high temperatures and pressures that make sure it can withstand demanding conditions without failure. This lightweight aluminum construction not only enhances cooling performance but also reduces the overall weight, making it a great choice for performance-focused Mustang builds. This is going to be built entirely from aluminum, so the radiator is designed to resist corrosion and last longer than the factory plastic end radiators. The TIG welded seams provide additional strength, while the high-efficiency fin design maximizes airflow and the cooling capabilities. This is a direct fit replacement with a 1.5-inch inlet diameter and a 1 3/4 outlet diameter. Its high-quality aluminum construction has superior temperature and pressure tolerance for optimum performance over stock. Now, as far as pricing goes on this unit, it's coming in right around that $300 price range, which offers a pretty solid value for a high-performance radiator that adds extra protection to your engine with better cooling efficiency. Installing this radiator is going to be a direct bolt-on process, compatible with your Mustang's factory coolant system. It's recommended to flush the cooling system before installation and use a high-quality coolant for the best results. If you're comfortable with basic mechanical work, this install can be completed at home in about 1 hour of your time, but we are going to give this a soft 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter since you got to get pretty deep into the front of that engine bay. Alright, well that's going to wrap up my review of the aluminum Performance 3-row radiator for the 2005 to 2014 Mustangs with a manual transmission, but not including the GT500s. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.